Vele. Ayikho into ozoyisho wambile wayishiya wedwa intombi yakho bra awukho vele. Kwisaifa last week uMarakhi ufike ngoriri watheleka. Uzoshaka ama punchlines ayiwikidi onalalele basofa watheleka. La sisemhlabeni wakapoetry kusetshenzwa kanzima kuyafukuzwa. Ingakho uzozwa namazwi angasaqinile kwenalalele ngiyakudabukela ngoba kuyafukuzwa. Whenever I see you unhliziyo uguleli ICU ungqondo afreeze abi ICU have a smile that takes me to places where I've never been like heaven. Angisasali kule nqola yothando called heaven is full of love from my brain down to the bottom of my heart. Luthando liyehla like a force of gravity. My love for you is deep, deeper than the deep oceans. Together, me and you, stopping the rain and making the sun shine. Says this on my says my son, shine. Kulobole likanyezi, utumeli mkongi, utami ya pelanina, like a hostile on fire, Jordana, ukhumbule ngasebenzisa amandla zengikuzale. So son, you are the greatest source of energy. Sandwa, kuloluthando ngenzeka imfuzo enhlobo uhitla. Sandwa, kuloluthando ngenzeka imfuzo enhlobo uhitla. Phela lo wenginalo nhlobo uzwela. Na inkonzo ngami nawe ngathi ihit la. Beka indlebe uzwe la. Umuhle ngathi waqale waphila njengengilosi ngaphambi kokuzalwa njengomuntu enyameni. Dear CEO ye boutique company mina nguMarakhi Imbongi ngizocela isibani. Ubuhle bakho abandele bani. You must be the descendant of Albert Einstein because you got me speaking in mathematical languages. You got me dancing in parallel lines, singing in series and sequences, grazing in the distinct patterns and pain of my lovely heart. You are the pivot element of my life. Mase shada ke so kasha the first quadrant hold ngoba ngempilo si positive even though emthola impilo bese check impilo bathola impilo less than 0 sinegative kulamagama amathathu I've been thinking about them athi I love you sandwa kuloluthando ngenzeka imfuzo enhlobo uhitla phela lo wengenalo nhlobo uzwela na inkonzo ngami nayo ngathi ihit la beka indlebe uzwe la 7:30 LT7 sihlangane sonke kungena mahala ngiyakuthanda abakuhlukumezayo.